Hi all. With this video, I begin an analysis of phrases based on the concept of two pentatonic scales. Let us analyze in detail the interaction of pentatonic scales with each other, note by note. Let's see how each note of the pentatonic scale interacts with chords. As an example of harmony, let's take a turnaround in the key of B flat major. This is the traditional form of such standards as olio or rhythm change. So let's get to the phrase. We will analyze this phrase in more detail a little later, but for a more accurate understanding of what is happening, we need to look more closely at some aspects. In this example, I'm using G pentatonic and a flat pentatonic. The transition from one scale to another is closely related to harmony. Although in the video I play a more complex version of the harmony, in essence it is just harmonic replacements of the sequence B flat, G7, CM7 F7, DM7 G7, CM7 F7. Now we need to match the pentatonic scales to each chord in this progression. B flat, C minor 7, D minor 7, G pentatonic, G7, F7, a flat pentatonic scale. Let's look at the notes of the G pentatonic scale. G, B flat, C, D, F. For the B flat chord, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5 degrees. 4 chord C minor 7, 5, 7, 1, 2, 4 degrees. 4 chord D minor 7, 4, sharp 5, 7, 1, 3 degrees. Now let's look at the ratio of notes for the dominants G7 and F7. The pentatonic scale for these chords would be a flat, B, D flat, E flat, G flat. For the G7 chord, flat 2 or flat 9, 3, flat 5 or tritone, sharp 5 or B13, sharp 7, bebop note. For the F7 chord, flat 3 or sharp 9, flat 5 or tritone, sharp 5 or flat 13, 7, flat 2 or flat 9. As you can see, for major and minor we use the notes of the natural major scale B flat, but for the dominants, thanks to the shift up half a tone, we get an altered sound for each dominant. So what do we get? A pentatonic scale is written above each chord, which is played at the moment the chord sounds. There is a constant movement, a transition from one pentatonic scale to another. This example transitions every 2 beats, which may seem tricky at first. After this understanding of how the pentatonic scale and chords interact, you can learn phrases based on the concept of 2 pentatonic scales. I will post recorded phrases on my channel. Stay tuned. Bye.